how to make money on Facebook for free. So I'm going to show you how to do that. This is not going to require you any money out of pocket. Only thing it's going to require is your time. So if you got a lot of time, this is for you. And if you got a lot of money, check out my last video that I've created. So that way you can check it out and you could do Facebook ads where you can make money by running ads to different affiliate offers. I went from A to Z. It's about 19 to 20-minute video, very detailed, and especially it's for beginners. But if you're here on this video, make sure you watch this video all the way to the end, because at the end of the video, I'm just gonna leave up the video that I've created about Facebook ads and everything and show you how it works. So a lot of people heard of Facebook before. Most of you probably have an account. Some of you don't. If you don't have a Facebook account, you're missing out a lot. And I know most of you that said, well, I don't like the drama and all that type of stuff. You don't have to worry about that. Create a different account under a different name or whatever it is. But for this particular one, you want to make sure that your profile is extremely legit. You want to make sure you put some pictures on there because people will look and they want to make sure that you're a real person before they do any business. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money on Facebook for absolutely free. So make sure you watch it all the way to the end. If it's your first time to my YouTube channel, welcome. My name is Andre. I talk about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and just different ways about entrepreneurship. So that way you can go out and you can have a life of freedom. So yes, people do make money online for free and you can do it for free, but it will take some time. So if you don't have money and you have a lot of time, this is going to be the video for you. So let's jump right into it. So you want to make sure that you have a Facebook account. As I said before, make sure you have some pictures on there. Make sure at least you have your name on it. Make sure you post some pictures. That's my wife right there. And if you scroll through, she's always posting pictures and she tags me in them. And she was at a conference last week. She just got back and she had a great time. And how we're going to be making money online and how we're going to make money on Facebook for absolutely free. So if you look here, you will see all the different things. You just want to make it pretty. Make sure you put some intro on here, like what is it that you do. You don't have to put like entrepreneur or anything, but just clean it up a little bit. All right, put probably where you go to school, all that type of stuff. So the video that I've created yesterday was all about paid traffic, but this is absolutely free. So the first thing first, we want to hover right over here where it says home. So you want to click on home, and over on the left-hand side here, there is so many different things. You can go to different Facebook groups, but this is not about Facebook group. This technique that I'm going to show you is about Facebook Marketplace. Click on the Facebook Marketplace. It is free, doesn't cost you any money to join it. Now, there's a couple of different ways how you can make money on here. Maybe you have some old stuff in your garage that you want to sell on here, or maybe you just started out and you don't have any money. Now, I'm going to show you how to make money online here for absolutely free without you have to go out and spend any money to do anything, even if you do not have anything to sell in your garage or anything. I'm also going to show you. But first, let me show you for the people who decide that, hey, I got a lot of things in my garage, I just want to sell them. So if you come on here, these are people that are already posting items. So people are selling bikes, people sell cars on here, people sell containers, mad cheap. There's anything that you want, you can get it. This is like a one-stop shop because people buy here. And of course, there's people that are doing legitimate business. And of course, you got some people that will just do fake stuff. It's everywhere. You cannot hide from it. So if you look over here in the marketplace, you can change the location of where you want to post these things. So you have the browse, you have the group, you have the stories, you have buying, you have selling. So if you want to do the selling, you want to click on here in the selling section. And all you got to do, as you can see, this right here, I did post some of these things and I should mark them sold because I should click on here, markers sold, and this one as well. So some of these things, there were some baby things that I had that I linked it to a website where people can buy it. So if you want to sell some stuff, all you got to do is just come here and you can click on marketplace profile if you want to sell some stuff, right? See, I've posted a lot of things on here. This is sold. These I sell in here as well. So some of these items, there are issues with this product because I post sold on them, and I sell a lot of things on here. Old stuff that I didn't have, and I sold this to start my business online, to be honest. Right. So I started there from scratch. So come on here, click on the marketplace. Once you click on the marketplace, as I said, you can find a lot of things. So you can sell vehicles, you can sell home garden, electronics, you can post classified classified stuff on here. So if you want to sell something, you can click on sell something right here. So when you click on it, it's gonna pull up. It will ask you what item is for sale. Will you be selling a vehicle? Is it home for rent? Of course, it's going to be an item. So what you do is you post the category of what you're trying to sell. So let me just zoom in so you can see any item you want to sell, you want to do that. You want to put the price, what are you selling? You want to put the location, and this is probably the location that you're in, or you can put, United States. If you're in the US, you could do that. You can just pick different cities, different state. Every time you can pick different city, different, do your research. Go on Google, find different locations if you don't know a lot of places. So if you're going to sell things from your garage, of course, you want to put your area where you're from. So you can add the photos. Once you do that, you can click next. It's a 3-step process, pretty simple, and you can upload anything that you want. Now, for the people that don't have anything to sell, this is part 2 of the video. If you don't have anything to sell, the first thing you want to do, you want to make sure you come on over here and you want to go to Google, type in Amazon Affiliate Program. Now, with the Amazon Affiliate Program, you don't get a huge percentage, but you can make money. So once you sign up for it, you just come here and you just click on where you say join, advertise, earn. Now, the reason why you want to pick Amazon is because you can find basically anything to sell on here. You can sell some things and you can get some money for it. You can find the pictures, you can upload the pictures on here. And once you upload the pictures, you can go into, let's say you want to sell clothing or you want to sell, the hottest things are always electronics. So if you go to electronics, you can post some things on here. People can click on it, they could buy it. And then once you put the price, once they buy it, it will be shipped. It will take them directly to the Amazon link. And here's a good thing. If that person did not buy right away, should they go and buy something else on Amazon, the cookie is coded to them. So guess what? You're going to get paid even if they did not buy that item. Let me say that again. If they click on your link of the Amazon, it's a 24-hour period. If they didn't buy right away, if they buy again, guess what? You're still going to get paid. So all I would do is, you don't want to overkill it, but just post different things on here. Electronics, maybe it's phone, maybe it's things like this. I could tell, like security camera installation, maybe it's camera, maybe it's computer, whatever you think is a good thing to sell, you post it on here. So that's why it's not going to cost you any money, and that's how you can make money on Facebook for absolutely free. This is working. There's a lot of people doing it, and they're grinding and they're putting in the time. So hope you enjoy that video. If you do like the video, give me some thumbs up, like, share. Make sure you let other people know about it. And if you're looking for my #1 recommendation where you can take more family vacations, like if you look on here, you can see we're always going on trips. Look over this side right here, always going on trips, going somewhere different, because it's always a good thing to have your time and be with your family and enjoy yourself. So like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Check out AndreMiller.com, AndreMillerOnline.com, and I will send you over my #1 recommendation. Hope you enjoyed that video. So that was how to make money on Facebook for free. Peace.